Leonardo AI Tutorial, a free Midjourney alternative. Hi and welcome to TechRich Tutorial. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to use Leonardo AI for beginners. This is a step-by-step beginner guide for everyone to follow easily, and if you find this tutorial helpful, please don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button. Now let's get right into it. Before we get started, let me introduce to you to this platform first. Leonardo AI is like Blue Willow and Midjourney. However, for Leonardo AI, you can actually see here a lot of things, and it's also for free. So here you can see your featured models, and to get started, you can have this overview, get to know AI image generation, canvas editor, and AI text generation. So here you can actually see a search button. However, it's been disabled, and below there are actually examples of some AI images that were generated by Leonardo. One pro or one good thing about Leonardo AI is that it has different kinds of models, or the featured models. So there you can see it right here above. Now in the left hand side, you actually have a panel, and you can go to your personal feeds. In your personal feeds, you can actually see your generation, followers feed, and liked feed. So basically, no images has been found since I have not liked a feed yet, or I have not followed a specific person on Leonardo. Here are some of the images that I have created using Leonardo AI. So basically, most of the images are kind of like an RPG style or animated style, basically. But you could also create like real models, or like a realistic image of a person using Leonardo AI with the proper prompts and image generation. Alright, so right here you could actually see some fine-tuned models, and there you could actually search. Say for example, you want to see a logo in this section, and you just need to click on the search button. However, there is actually like something or some sort of um, disability with our search engine here in Leonardo AI for some unknown circumstances. And as I have read also in Reddit, it actually happened to other people as well, wherein the search button is temporarily or maybe um, disabled for good. Now here we also have our AI canvas. With AI canvas, it's actually an editor that enables you to visually correct and refine details, modify styles, and seamlessly extend your content. So basically what you need to do is that you're just going to simply add your image right here, and then enter a prompt and generate the changes that you would want to add on to your um your template. Okay, so let's try creating if we can also generate a prompt using our AI canvas. So let's select the number of images. Unlike Midjourney, so when you actually send a prompt or create an image, it usually has 4 images, or it always has 4 images basically. But here in Leonardo AI, you can actually choose the number of images that you would want to generate. So basically, this is how it looks like. It doesn't really look good, and um it would be best when you actually create it in the AI image generation section of your Leonardo AI instead of in this section, because your canvas is actually really for editing and not really for image generation. So in here you can actually erase, you can mask a certain area in this section and whatnot. All right. So there. And you could also upload an image from your computer, and right there, like for example, you have created an image and you want to edit it out, so you can choose from the images that you have created here with Leonardo. All right, say for example we want to edit this one, then let's cancel it out, and right there, so you can like select the section that you want to edit or mask. So basically, if you want to erase that section, you just need to cover it up or erase that section. Okay, now let's exit from the editor, and let's not save the changes as for the moment. Okay, now you could also go to your AI generation, or let's go to our texture first, 3D texture generation. All right, so with this one, it can render your like 3D styles. So you can upload a new object, or you could also generate a feature as well. And then basically you will be able to generate a 3D version of that specific picture once you have added it onto this section of your Leonardo AI. Okay, so basically it does not have like the individual photo. It needs to have like um what do you call this, a set of photos to be added onto this section, so that they would be able to also synchronize each angle and each movement of the photo or the image basically, and to create the 3D model. All right, and the most important section of our user tools is our AI generation tool. So here in this section, we can actually create our prompts. So unlike in Midjourney, we use Discord, right? But for Leonardo AI, it has its own web platform, and you don't need to have the command slash imagine prompt. So you just need to enter directly the prompt or the image that you would want to generate using this platform. So say for example, you want to generate a girl in the 1960s wearing a Victorian dress, and then hair is blonde hair. Okay, there. Let's generate the image. So for the number of images, I chose 2, and there, it will then generate the image. All right, there you have it. So you could also add negative prompts so that it will delete the, you know, things that you don't want to see on the photo basically. Now here in the fine-tune models, you could also choose what kind of model you would want to use for your image generation. There are actually different types of upscaling when you're using Leonardo AI. So there are actually 4 types. So you just need to choose from those options, and it will actually take some coins that you have from Leonardo AI. Once you have consumed the 150 tokens here, or 150 coins you have in Leonardo AI, you would need to wait for another 24 hours to generate images as well. All right, there. And basically, if you scroll down below, you will see all the images that you have generated using Leonardo AI. And that's our tutorial video for today's video. I hope that you've learned something, and thank you so much for watching.